In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PSD or EPS files in Figma. Even though Figma doesn't open PSD or EPS files directly, there's a simple workflow that gets your artwork into your Figma canvas cleanly and ready to use. Start by heading to the Figma website in your browser. If you're prompted, sign in, then open the file or page where you want to place the artwork. Keep that canvas visible so you can drop your asset in as soon as it's ready. Next, prepare your original PSD or EPS file. Open it in the app you created it with and tidy it up. Remove unused layers, expand effects you don't need to keep live, and make sure the artboard or canvas is cropped to the content you plan to bring into Figma. When it looks good, find the export controls. Many design apps show an export section on the right side of the interface. Click Export, select a format that Figma supports, and export your file. For vector artwork, SVG is usually the best choice because it preserves shapes and paths for editing. PDF is a solid alternative when you need to keep vector fidelity in a single, clean sheet. For raster images like photos, PNG keeps transparency and high quality, while JPG is fine for non-transparent images and smaller file sizes. Choose an appropriate resolution, then click Export and save the file somewhere easy to find. With the export complete, return to your open Figma page. Importing is as simple as dragging and dropping. Click and hold the exported file from your desktop or file browser, drag it over the Figma window, and release it onto the canvas. Figma will place it where you drop it, and you can move it into position immediately. Once the asset is on the canvas, you can edit it. If you imported an SVG or a vector PDF, you can double-click to dive into groups, ungroup elements, change fills and strokes, and adjust paths as needed. If you brought in a PNG or JPG, it will behave as an image layer. You can resize it proportionally by dragging a corner while holding Shift, adjust opacity, crop using the image frame, or apply masks and effects. If the scale looks off, try resizing at 100% to check clarity and consider re-exporting at a higher resolution if needed. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, export your PSD or EPS to a Figma-friendly format, then drag it onto your canvas and begin refining it right away.